Hello guys, in this video let us see how we can create dice roller game using Python. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. We can easily create simple games using Python and you can add it in your resume. The dice roll simulation can be done by choosing a random integer between 1 and 6. So here we will be using the random module in the Python. To simulate a dice roll with Python, here we will be using random module in Python. So first of all, we will import random module. So the random module is pre-installed in the Python programming language. So we just need to import it. After importing the random module, now we have access to all the functions which are involved in this module. So here we will use random.randint function. This function returns a random integer based on the start and the ending value. So as you know that the smallest value of a dice roll is 1 and the maximum value, largest value is 6. This logic can be used to simulate a dice roll. So with this concept we will create this game. This gives us the start and the ending value to use in our random.randint function. Now we will apply while loop. So we will type while true. So the loop will continue again and again. The loop will keep on repeating until the condition is true. Next type print in the bracket. Here we are using multiple string. So the first option is roll the dice and the second option is exit. So the user can choose two options, either 1 or 2. So next we will tell the user to enter the value that what he wants to do. So depending on the choice whether user selects 1 or 2. So if the user select 1, so now here we will apply the condition if user is equal to 1. So now we will apply the condition, we will check if the user has entered 1. Then type number is equal to random.randint in the bracket 1, 6. So here 1 is the starting value and 6 is the ending value. So from the random module we are importing randint function. So random module will select any random value from 1 to 6 and it will display in the output. Next we will print the number, else if the condition becomes false, then we will break and we will come out of the loop. So here the program will terminate and the program will come to an end. Okay, so let us save our program and execute it. You can also use the shortcut key, that is F5. Press F5. Now let us see the output. So in the output screen, two options are there. First, roll the dice and second, exit. So if I press 1, then it will ask what you want to do. So in the output it will randomly generate any number from 1 to 6. Now if I again type 1, then in the output I will get 6 value. Now again if I run the program, then it will ask that what option you want to choose. So if I press 2, so the program will exit. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video interesting, then please like and share it with your friends.